a paper dollar. How much is a paper dollar worth?
$1.
I have 4 quarters. How much is these 4 quarters worth?
$1.
I have 100 pennies. How much are these worth?
$1.
They are worth the same amount, aren't they?
Yes.
Yes. How many pieces is this?
1.
How many pieces of this money equals $1?
4.
And how many pieces of money does this equal to?
100.
100. Okay. So I have these pieces of money. And if I had some in my pocket, if I had these 100 pennies in my pocket, and I'm going to the store, and I'm purchasing something, would you rather give the cashier 100 pennies, count out 100 pennies, or quarters? Sorry, can you pick it up? 4 quarters, or 1 paper dollar bill? Think about it. What would you rather get a cashier? If you the cashier, which one would you want to receive? How about that? Which one would you want to receive? And you're going to have to tell me why. Hands should not go down. You need to tell me why you would want to receive. Okay? You're a cashier, Vanessa. You're a cashier. And my item costs $1. What would you rather get? 100 pennies, 4 quarters, or $1? $1. Who else would want to get $1? Okay? I need to know why would you want to get $1? It takes too much time. It takes too much time to count 100 pennies. What else might be a good reason? Yes.
Because it's in less pieces.
It's in a small amount of pieces. Okay? Would you rather carry around 100 pennies in your pocket or a $1 bill in your pocket?
$1.
Yes, it's less pieces to handle. Well, that's basically what simplifying means. Simplifying means when you have a bigger fraction and you want to make it into a smaller fraction, you have less pieces you have to use. Okay? You have less pieces you have to use. So, for example, let's look at this pizza. Let's read what's in bold print for me. Read in bold print. It reads, when
You simplify a fraction, the fraction is the same amount but has fewer pieces.
Same amount but has fewer pieces. Okay, I want the house leader to take out all these pieces and lay it on your desk for you and your members to share. Take out all these pieces. House leader. Well, whoever the house leader is. Take out all of those columns. I would like for you to take, remember, you all are sharing one house. The cards need to be on one person's desk. I want that person, the house leader, I want you to take out, I want you to hold up the 8s. Hold up 8s. 8. Okay? I would like for you to take out 4 or pull apart and only have 4 and just stack it up on your desk. For those people who have those strips, I want you to have 4. The 8s are the blue. They're the blue. The 8s are dark blue. Stack it up, stand it up. 4 8s. Stand it up. Stand it up. Like stand it up on your desk. How many pieces of the 8s do we have? 4. Okay? I would like for you to get, hold up the 4s. Hold up your fourths. Okay? Another member of your house, I want you to take apart, get that fourth to another member of your house, and I would like for you to take 2 out of those 4. Fourths. Fourths are the yellow. The 1/8 should be already there. Stand it up. Everybody's 8 should be standing up. Now put your 2 4s beside the 4 8s. How many 8s are y'all supposed to have on your desk? 4. How many 4s are you supposed to have?
2.
Now I want you to now get your 1/2 piece. Another member. Get the 1/2 piece. They need to be side by side. Your 4 8s and your 1/2 need to be side by side. Now another house member gets 1/2. You need to align them. They're not stacked. These are not collars. They need to be aligned. Because these are not like those others. You see it. You can't stack them. You got to put them like this. They're not stacked. You got to put them like this. These are different pieces. Let them be the same pieces. When you put one with white, you have to use all of them with white, okay? So of course. You don't want 1 8 with a white. You find the boys here. Okay, what do you notice about all 3 parts? What do you know? The people with strips, you should have them lined up. You should not have them stacked. You cannot have the people who have these strips. Because some people have strips. You're going to have to lay them flat. They're not the same as those collars. Lay out 4 8s. Lay out 4 8s. Lay out 2 4s. And lay out that 1/2 on top of each other. Exactly the same here. What do you notice about those 3 fractional pieces? Isaiah, you have to speak out. You have to speak up. They are okay. They all has 1 as a numerator, but I need to see, what do you see about the actual parts? Sergio.
So all of them are the same size.
Same size, okay. I want you to use a math language. Same size. Can anybody give me a math language, Callie? Okay, give me another math language, Michelle. Equivalent. They are all what?
Equivalent.
What does equivalent mean, Callie? It means equal. They are all equivalent. They're all equivalent. Okay. So what do you notice about the pieces? What do you know what's different about the pieces? What do you notice is different, Megan, about those pieces?
Parts get bigger. The parts get smaller.
Some of the parts are smaller than the others. Do y'all see that? Which fraction parts are smaller? The 1/8. Okay. What else do we see about them? So we said all of them have 1 as the numerator. Okay. What is that kind of fraction called? Where 1 is the numerator, class. Okay. What else?
They all have less amount, but the same.
They all have less amount. I don't understand that. Make it clear. I'm not saying it clearly. Later, what do you think about the pieces?
I think the pieces are getting simplified
How?
because they're going from smaller to greater to smaller.
Okay, she said some of the pieces are bigger and some of them smaller. But what else do I want you to see? What else do you see about the pieces themselves? What else do you see about the pieces themselves? Count the pieces for 2 4s. How many are there?
2.
Count the pieces for the 8s. How many are there?
4.
Count the pieces of the 1/2. 1/2. Well, how many are there? 1. What do you notice about the pieces? Just like that dollar bill. What do you notice? Which one should be the simplest form? Which one of those fractions would be the simplified fraction of all those 3? Which one would it be and why? Look at those pieces you have. You have 4/8, you have 2/4, and you have 1/2. Just like that dollar bill was 1 piece, wasn't it? Those 4 quarters were what? 4 pieces. And those 100 pennies were? Okay, so let's think about it with these fractions. Which one would be the simplified version of it? Christian? I have 4/8. How many pieces do I have? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I have 2/4. How many pieces do I have?
1, 2.
I have 1/2. How many pieces do I have?
1.
Okay, so if you had some suitcase and you could only take the smallest amount of items in it, which one would be the simplified version of this? Would it be the 4/8, the 2/4, or the 1/2? Astrid?
The 1/2.
Why? Why would 1/2 be the simplified version of these fractions? Jamal, speak up.
Because it has the smallest amount of pieces.
It has the smallest amount of pieces. Simplified means you have the smallest amount of pieces. Does it change the value? Aren't these all still equal amounts?
Yes.
But is the value changed? No, but the pieces have. So simplified means you have less amount of pieces of the problem, okay? So on your notes, you also have the same thing. All right, so let's try another one quickly. So now, I want you to try, let's see, 4/6. If you have the strips, you're going to have to lay them flat. 4/6. 4/6 are the aqua blue in the top. Now I want you to discover what fraction can you find with that. Look at the other part and tell me what fraction you can find. Be more than one, maybe. You never know. We have what? 4. That's it. 4/6. Okay. See any more you can find. You haven't found any others. Y'all just did 4/6. Supposed to find something else.
You can put these on there, right?
You can pull them all out. This one would be what would be. Okay, let's see if we find something else. Might be something else we find.
That's good now, guys.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands off. Slant mode. If you have not found it, we're gonna work together to find it. Okay. I asked you to find 4/6. Yes. 4/6. Okay. I'm going to use these strips so you can see it. These are my 6. Can't hardly see it close, but these are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pieces I have out of the 6? 4. Can anybody tell me a equivalent fraction that they got discovered out of this 1/6? Yes. Carlos.
2/3.
2/3. Okay, if you didn't find it, do it now. 2/3. Was there any other pieces? Any other pieces? Yes. 8/12. How many pieces are there with the 2/3?
2.
Hello? 2. How many pieces are there with the 6/4?